Hi guys, welcome to my Patreon page. My name is Nguyen. I'm an illustrator. I love watching films and reading comics. Lately, I've been thinking about creating art that has emotional resonance. I think that's what makes art memorable. And over the past several years, I've had the pleasure to work with and learn from a lot of top-notch artists, guys and ladies who work for Marvel, Disney, and Naughty Dog. I would like to share with you my process, everything starting from thumbnail sketches all the way to the final finished pieces. I'll give you my time-lapse videos, my thinking process behind it, as well as notes that I think are relevant. Please take a look at the art here. If you support, you'll get access to all of my previous rewards. And if you like what you see, please share. Thank you a lot for your support. It means a lot to me. Bye bye.